I didn't know that we were a bird sanctuary. I don't know if you guys can see them or not, but
There are hundreds.
there are, yeah, hundreds, like Michael said. I've never seen anything like this.
Maybe it's because you look like Tippi Hedren.
You know?
There you go.
They're on their way
Now they're down
somewhere.
to the barn.
Yeah, now they're down there at the barn. Maybe they just stopped by for lunch.
And there's the damn dog standing right there.
Well, they don't care about her. That's the killer.
So she's
All
gonna
right.
do it to kill the birds.
Well, I should have gotten out here sooner with the camera. Anyway, see you shortly. Bye-bye.